A small tear on your passport may seem like a minor issue, but when it comes to international travel, it can have significant consequences. In this video, we talk about damaged passport and what you need to know. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration&migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. When it comes to international travel, having a valid and undamaged passport is of utmost importance. While a small tear on your passport may seem inconsequential, it can lead to significant travel disruptions. Damaged passports can be anything from torn or missing pages, unofficial markings on the data page, a hole punch, a small tear, as well as water damage or stains. Many passports have been unused during the pandemic, and if not stored properly, passports may be exposed to wear and tear. One of the consequences of traveling with a damaged passport is being denied entry to your country of destination. Airlines also have a responsibility to ensure compliance with immigration regulations. If your passport has even a small tear, an airline representative might deny you boarding to avoid potential complications at the destination or transit country. Being denied the ability to fly due to passport damage is an unfortunate scenario that can disrupt your travel plans and cause frustration. If your trip hasn't started yet, you'll need to replace your passport. The process is similar to applying for a new passport. If you are already traveling, border officials will examine or turn over your passport for investigation for further analysis. If the damage is severe enough, a country might deny you entry. But you might also be able to negotiate your way through customs if the damage is minor. If you don't want to risk negotiations, you can apply for an emergency passport through the nearest embassy consulate. Remember that you cannot repair a damaged passport yourself, as it would not restore the passport's validity. Have you experienced traveling with a damaged passport? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigration&migration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.